I gave an AI agent full control of my browser. A real agent that clicks, scrolls, reads websites, compares information, and makes decisions like a human. And I used it to do something surprisingly complex, completely hands-free. Let me show you what happened. Before I explain anything, have a look at this. I gave it a simple instruction. Find the best noise cancelling earphones under $200. Now it opens multiple sites, reads real discussions, compares multiple products, filters noise, and produces a structured decision. But this video is not about shopping earphones. This is about what happens when an AI agent can use your browser like a tool. Think about your browser today. It's just a passive tool. You search, click, read, compare, decide. You are the processor. But an AI agent changes that. Now, a browser becomes an environment where an AI agent can actively operate inside. It executes tasks inside the web for you. For building our AI agent today, we would be using Hermes. Hermes Agent is like a self-improving AI assistant that remembers, automates, and gets better over time. It connects directly to Chrome via Chrome DevTools protocol, which basically gives it the ability to open websites, click elements, read page content, and navigate multi-step flows, just like a human would, except it does it autonomously. Let's get started. First, we will install Hermes, and we can do that with just a single command. Let's search for Hermes installation. Click on the installation documentation link. Let's copy this command and let's go to terminal, paste in, let's run this. So this script would install all the prerequisites required for Hermes and takes you directly to the setup. Let's go with the quick setup. For model, I will be using Minimax M2.7. You can select any other model with a good agentic reasoning capability. So let's go with Minimax, Global Direct. I already have the API key set, URL is good. And I will select the M2.7 model. Alright, keep current. I will skip setting up messaging as we will be only using the terminal user interface today. So let's skip this. Let's refresh our shell configs. And done. Our Hermes agent is ready. Now we need to start a Chrome session with remote debugger enabled. Let's go back to Hermes documentation and navigate to browser section. And here you can see how you can connect your local Chrome to Hermes agent via Chrome DevTools protocol. For starting a remote debugger session on Mac, you can use this command, and for Linux, you can use this command. For Windows, it's slightly a different setup, as you would be installing your Hermes agent inside WSL2. You need to access browser through MCP server. First, you need to start a Chrome session with remote debugger enabled with the command displayed on the screen. And once your Chrome session is started, you need to add a Chrome DevTools MCP. And to add the Chrome DevTools MCP server, just head over to this Windows Chrome section and click on Use MCP with Hermes. And here you would get the command. Just use this command to add the Chrome DevTools MCP server in your Windows. As I'm running my Hermes agent on macOS, I will be using the macOS command. I will copy this command, go back to terminal, and I will run this command in a separate terminal window. Let's create one and then run this. This opens a control Chrome session which our Hermes agent can interact with. Let's go back to terminal and switch back to our main terminal window. And now to start a chat with Hermes, just type Hermes, press enter. Let's connect with our browser now using this command, browser/connect. This command will start a connection with a browser, Let's hit enter. As you can see, we have connected to a browser successfully through this chat. Now let's give Hermes a real task. I will say, use the web to research the best noise cancelling headphones under $200, compare listings from multiple retailer sites, and return a structured decision with reasoning. Let's start. Our agent starts by searching on Google first. It scans multiple product listings from the Google search results, then switches towards looking at specific retailer sites like Best Buy, Amazon, and Walmart. And as you can see, it also auto-corrected itself on the invalid links and went to the right URLs to search the products. And lastly, it's trying to aggregate all the findings, looking for the best deals and synthesize the information into a decision matrix. Alright, Hermes has finished the research, and this is where things get impressive. It compared products from multiple retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and Google Shopping in real time, then structured everything into a decision matrix. Hermes ranked this Sony's model as the best overall option, balancing price, comfort, noise cancellation, and quality. But it also found something even more interesting. If you see over here, it found that the Sennheiser HD450BT is on a massive sale right now, making it the best value deal right now. And most importantly, what it did was, it filtered out the lower quality headphones which looked good on paper but weren't worth actually buying. This wasn't just scraping data from website. Hermes actively researched, compared, validated, and synthesized the best decision, just like a human would do when you're buying something. This is the real shift. Today, browsers are passive. With agent systems like Hermes, browsers become executable environments. That means research becomes automated. And this is just a simplest example. You can build far more complex workflows, like finding the jobs that match your resume and automatically applying, running QA automations for web applications, automating repetitive browser workflows that normally takes hours, and the list goes on. In the next video, I will show you how to scale this beyond a single task, running multiple agents in parallel so you can create fully AI powered automation pipelines. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one.